Okay, if you are like me and love the Sandlot, you're gonna want a jersey like this. It's like an authentic jersey, says the Sandlot on it, and check this out. Number 5, Squint's definitely a character I can relate to because I got the glasses like him. So yeah, just a great jersey, great stitching, great quality, buttons, everything. It feels like a real Sandlot jersey and looks like one too. Easy to wear, easy to even play baseball in. It's very comfortable and breathable. It has like good like sleeve bands to it. Again, good stitching on the arms with the 5 there all around. And yeah, you can wear it like this, classic baseball or classic Sandlot, where you can have it unbuttoned for a bit, you know, just the more relaxed, loose. I'll just flip around again so you can see kind of how it looks. Yeah, one of my favorite little jerseys that I've ever gotten. So cool. Huge fan of Sandlot. Watch it all the time. Maybe you watch it with your kids. These days you can get one of these jerseys and just makes it a lot more fun. There's some other really good jerseys, but also with Sandlot, they have some other characters on the jersey back in case you related to one of the other ones, but definitely love the Squints one. High quality jersey, you can wash it, no problem. And I really like it a lot. Also be a great gift if you know someone that likes the Sandlot or baseball in general. So highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.